So I hope guys you can hear me. Things clear. So today our video is about why we need a trade buddy or a community. Okay. So we will see this exact topic in the end of this video. So if you was uh, came for watching exactly this video, so you have to wait till the end. Before that, we will do analysis trade of today, what happened, and what we're gonna do next week. Then our session was over. Okay, so yeah, yes, Saravanan, and okay, so I was pretty happy that I got some feedback to change the backgrounds. Like it was rectangular, like so casual from comparing to the before. So I just added a intro that you can see. This was an intro. A cool scenes that once we changing to the another session or something else, and I hope you will like this exact background, and it's pretty much cool, right? Than before. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the analysis. So uh, before that, from next week, like from tomorrow, maybe I'm not gonna post everyday live because I was on a challenge that I said already, a 10K challenge. So I might be posting what's happening on the 10K, like what's going on right now. And yeah, thanks, Sarana. Yeah, it was great. I think so. So, and yeah, what was going uh, on the 10K challenge, those things I will post on live, but I'm not posting some psychology stuffs or teaching or any lessons will not be there from maybe next month or kind of weeks will be there. Weekly two videos or one video will be based on uh, something you can learn. Okay, so I saw that in previous video there was kind of the views were better than last week. So if you guys were arriving here and if you thought something that I want to improve or some kind of video that we were expecting, just post it in comment. Don't forget. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the topic. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, thank you, Saravana. Like, almost again, I'm missing the 2 week, like, about 2 minutes. I checked it, but it was turned off. I think I pressed some buttons. Maybe it's key. Okay. So what I was told in, like what I was saying in the back, exactly. Yeah, now it's audible, right? Okay. I wrote it. Yeah. Hi, Rajkumar. Well, you are the second viewer of this channel. Happy to see you. So sorry for the inconvenience. I didn't see that volume was not turned on. Okay, so you see the signal here. He bought the buy signal, so it went cool. I will show the results here. Okay, so we were turned off the, sorry, we were closed the trade actually here. Okay, which were, I thought it could be a retest, so it might reversal from here, so we close the trade here, but it were actually went the double the position. So if you catch the exact trade with me, you will be get mostly like 40 pips, I guess. So this was one of the good trade that we start with the new week. Okay, so, and second one, if you can see, we were posted an analysis. This was a kind of risky analysis. That's why I always mention here, if I mention here trade at own risk, it's like 50-50. It may go to the TP or SL mostly. Okay, so yeah, okay, now it's clear. Why? Because it's tricky. I will explain that. Because we having a demand zone which is so strong, so it may reach the demand zone, or it could reach us to at least this resistance level. So there is no news today, and which I thought was this will be better to go at this setup. So we can see it in live. Yeah. Okay. Oh, where is? I think it got refreshed. Okay. Let me show you just. Okay, this was 30 minute. If you can see here, see 30 minute and exactly same live market. We were given a position exactly after this first candle. Okay, this exact position right here. It was moving active. So right now if you're trading this exactly, it would be not best trade. So if you were exactly traded at the analysis that I posted, it was, it will be given exactly like more than 25 pips. It's kind of great, right? It's a good scalping. Yeah. Okay, so for now this is all our today's analysis in, and I bought a 10K funded next challenge, as I told in Instagram. So like I posted in shorts on Instagram, right? Yeah. And so I was like, I'm not traded today because I have another account, so I'll be focusing on that. I have to focus on this exact account, so I need times and preparation, backtesting so much. So I could be not giving lesson sessions maybe. So hereafter the lives will be shortened like 20 minutes. That's all, 20 to 25 minutes. That's all. Okay. So yeah, we'll get into the session. Why we need a trade buddy? So there is a scenario. It's not a scenario actually. I was talked with my school friend, which was a childhood friend today. So he was a good trader actually. What I heard from him, everything, it was uh, I was so surprised. Like he learned a lot, like he explored a lot. Even I'm not explored that much because I focused on particular way, particular plan. So I was learning on that way only, exactly that path only. Okay. So I don't want to disclose his name, but he was doing great. But I think this video is for him. And why every trader needs a community or a buddy, right? So as you guys know, if you are experienced trader, you might know mostly the answer why we need it. It's not a pretty good, what did we say? It's just a small and like normal PPT that I can do. So yeah, hope you guys will adjust it. Give me a second. Yeah, I have to set it up here, like what the chats. If anyone asked anything, so I have to read. Okay. So guys, so what about him? Actually, he started, yes, like 3 years back, maybe, but he wasn't. He doesn't got any community. Like even if the community was there, so he doesn't got any like friends or who can trust with or who can learn with. Okay, so he knows that he were lacking of something. He were getting experience and again, but he were not used to disclose with his friends. Only his families knows. So uh, in that kind, we also faced, and you guys know that so many of them were faced the same situation. Let me just. Okay, so many of them chase the same situation. When I was in the beginning, I do have no mentors, yeah, no backgrounds about the tradings or investments. I started with investments, so now it's currently running on trading. Okay, so yeah, and we met peoples at uh, colleges and also some social media. So where in my college friends, we got few peoples were working on together like a like a community. Okay, actually we're building a community. So in online, it's kind of social media where we can say Discord or Telegram. So you can find so many peoples out there. You can ask their experience, what's happening and strategies, what they're using. So many stuff. It's not just meaning of community just joining and look up for what trade stuff setups or signals they're providing. Okay, so there are so much than you expect. You will get benefit from the community. Okay, so yeah, and I think my Astel was not that good. What I was shown to the barber was totally different, but how many viewers? So, okay. So, at some point, I'm the only one guy he was talking to me. So, he like disclosed everything and what's happening, what he did, what his experience. So, what I told, we are building a community. If you want to join with us. So we will introduce our friends. So that's how a community or network builds, right? So what I was, thank you, man. So I take it as a compliment, but my family hates it, man. Yeah, you can see this, right? This, oh, it's not visible. Okay, so actually this is green. That's why it's kind of invisible in the background. Okay, so let's get into the topic. And he where goes like trading and learning, grinding like every hours. Like he told he were watching every nights without a sleep and taking a nap while going to the college in a bus. So he worked hard. So he just getting into the right path now, so he may get profitable and get the successful way, which was I hope. So why I'm saying to you guys, this was exactly that. If you don't have anyone, like if you are a beginner, just we are gonna build a community in the future. So if you join in a telegram, if certain members, like let's say 5k to 10k, so we will start a discord so that people can uh, contact you together, right? So then only it's possible. For now it's very low members, so we try to focus on getting the audience. And over trading was a good. This was the uh, damn sure that I you want to know if you are trading alone, and it's like a ghost trading where with two computers or one laptop or one mobile watching the charts. And see, if you started the trading one currency and if you were lost continuously two times and you again looking for another trade, but if you were with your friend, yeah, what he might say, yeah, just close it, bro. Let's move to next day, or yeah, let's try another currency or another pair. That's how it works. That's how it's begin. If no one is there to guide you, you will be losing every time, every funded account. That's how it simply happens. So this is not for everyone. That people's in social media they're saying ghost trading, like be like a wolf, do it alone. Yeah, it was good, but doing alone it was good. It's not works practically for everyone, not every time. Until you get broke or until you blown your account, you didn't know what happened. So you were thinking you were winning, but if you're not following the rules, psychology, of course you are losing, right? So this is where exactly for most of them, not for everyone. Maybe some people were so good at psychology and emotion, and still the peoples are there who do alone trade and still profitable. If you are a guy like that, it's big. it's a big lucky skill, I guess. Okay, so this is not I'm not exactly that kind of guy, because when I say when I was learning from my exact friends, where it might be the same thing that you both were learning, but the error were find out by your friend was so much different that your mind was not caught that. Okay, so it's kind of tricky to explain, I guess. Okay, so that's how it works. And at trade buddy I also finished this exact page also. So if you were trading with your friend, you will be having fun than having trouble more than most of the time. That's what I experienced personally. So as I told before, if you are a beginner, and just join in Telegram, which is in YouTube uh, profile. Okay, so I got a message on another social media platform, which was they asking my experience, which I get profitable, what strategy did I use, why I'm not posting a strategy in the YouTube video. Because bro, I was backtesting a strategy and I have to be so accurate on that. So before that, most of them in the beginning, even me, I was in the beginning, were chasing on the what exact setup strategy. But the first thing was important was rules, psychology, and how you control your emotions, what exactly you were looking for. That's what the exact thing you need, right? So that's why I want to fill this exact topic. This is very basic, I know, but everyone were failing at this. But this is the thing that runs the trader into the profitable. So these topics and all very underrated. I know this is very boring. These kind of topics, this kind of topics is very underrated. But those psychologies and emotions are very very root of this trade. Okay, so yeah, and what else? So, and another lesson that I want to say, uh, this also we finish the ghost trading. This is how it looks. If you compare to me in a year ago, I was a guy like this also, like the same way, but I changed now. So my progress was going good, which I can see that I can track that, and I am also posting on social media publicly. And another, if you are looking for community, this is kind of important thing that I want to say. So they were I can see some people were in the beginning they don't have any research, what is trading, what is investing, how many stuffs are there like Indian markets or mutual funds and forex, futures, options. They don't know anything, and they see some expensive people's like showing cars and bikes. They give some 50,000 or 1 lakh any courses. So as a beginner, and my community and also my network, by their experience I'm saying, don't go for that much big kind of courses until you can't afford it. Okay, so yeah, that was the main thing. So it's not about the mentor. They're gonna teach exactly what free sources going to teach until you find that exact uh, kind of strategy they are giving or something different. So uh, you might know. If you don't know about that, that's why I'm asking to join in a community, so you can ask some people. So these kind of things they were. uh, teaching us. So is it worth to go there? So you may get some conclusion, right? That's how in my network, with my friends, we will talk each other. So this is what he giving. Uh, Even I'm saying I'm teaching like a mentor, right? So I'm not a pro trader. That was true. So why I started this channel so earlier, this is the reason I want to build a community with me. And with this position I might be a bit ahead of you, but if you continue even with me, so you will also reach same destination as me, or you can surpass me also. It depends on your journey. Okay. Yeah, so we almost finished it, I guess. I will selected one quote to end this video. Yeah, yeah, this exact line. So, what's the people's will? Uh, like, I'm not saying exactly most of them, but if you are doing or learning trading, what they expect, uh, my friend or my network or any buddies that I'm connect with, they have to be more better than me. If you exactly thinking that way, so you may struggle to find networks mostly, right? So it's not based on better than you, it's always based on up and downs. Like if you find any network, so just reach out with them. They take care of you from blowing your accounts, from learning new strategies, learning new stuffs. So it's about getting and growing together. Okay. So I saw some people's were on social media, like they were wanted a network with someone who is actually reached the level like a pro trader. So if you want to connect with them so easily, you have to be connect with the same level as you were. Okay. So that's how it works. And yeah, subscribe, don't forget, even if you are new. So maybe in live analysis or in future upcoming strategies, this is gonna help you. Okay. Yeah. So okay. Thanks for the viewers who were watching. So today was a short session, was not that big. So 30 minutes, we almost finishing this video. And before that, so if you guys were watching this end of this video, and if you want to do pass a funded account or to get any signals, so I'm also doing exact uh, passing the 10K account challenge. So from next week, most of the live will be what happened if I passed or losing. Both analysis and stuffs will be there on the video. Okay. So yeah, that's how will be in the mostly. And I try to give one of three videos, like explaining about another topics which is based on rules or psychology. So once we finish this playlist, we gonna saw so much things which is uh, based on best scalping strategies, and what are the so much stuffs are there. I will explain you, which is SMC, and price actions. So many stuffs are there, but I gonna explain not everything, but what I am implementing. Those topics will going to be in my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, fine. Let's end this video. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye. Peace.